Today let's learn how to greet and be polite like a Parisian. Let's start with a polite greeting in French. Bonjour. Comment allez-vous? Means hello. How are you? You can reply, Je vais bien, merci. Et vous? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Always begin with bonjour. It's polite and friendly. Talking about weather is always a nice small talk. Say, Il fait beau aujourd'hui, n'est-ce pas? It's nice weather today, isn't it? You can reply, Oui, c'est une belle journée. Yes, it's a beautiful day. Try it with a smile, it sounds warm and natural. Next, ask politely where someone lives. Say, Vous habitez à Toronto, n'est-ce pas? You live in Toronto, right? Reply, Oui, j'habite à Toronto. Et vous? Yes, I live in Toronto. And you? Practice saying, J'habite à, with your own city name. End your small talk politely like this. C'était un plaisir de parler avec vous. It was a pleasure talking with you. Reply, Le plaisir est pour moi. The pleasure is mine. And finally, Bonne journée. Have a good day. Don't forget to smile while saying it. Merci d'y regard. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Learn French the friendly way.